Hello and welcome back to the Master Civil Engineering. In the previous video, we learned that how to prepare a detailed estimate for waterbound macadam and bituminous macadam and semi-dense concrete. In this video, we will learn that how to prepare a detailed estimate using dense bituminous macadam and bituminous concrete. I have already prepared a typical cross section of the road. So for this road, I am using GSP as that is granular subbase course as stone soling 150 mm thick. Okay, base course or drainage course, this is wet mix macadam 75 mm thick. Binder course, this will be dense bituminous macadam DBM 50 mm thick, and finally the surfacing course will be bituminous concrete 40 mm thick. Okay, we will be preparing this estimate for 1 kilometer of length and width 3.65 meter or approximately 12 feet, and the berm or the shoulders for this road will be 0.45 meter on both sides. Okay, so you will make a table in Excel having 6 columns. The first one is the serial number, second one particulars of item, second is the unit, third is the unit, fourth is the quantity, fifth is the rate, and sixth one is the amount. Okay, so the first item which I am taking for this estimate, this is the surface dressing of the ground. Okay, this includes the removing of the vegetation and inequalities. Okay, this is just use it to clear the ground surface. Okay, I am taking this as an first item. Okay, it entirely depends on your road surface. Okay, whether you have to include this item in your estimate or not. Okay, so for this item number, this will be 1, length will be 1000, that is 1 kilometer, width will be 3.65 meter. This item, this is measured in the units of square meter, so multiply 1 with 1000 with 3.65 and you will get the amount, which is 3650 square meters. Okay, so unit for this is square meter, quantity this is equal to 3650. Okay, and the rate we are taking from SOR, that is the schedule of rates of PWD of year 2023, and the rate for this item in the PWD SOR, this is 24.15 Indian rupees per square meter. Okay, so multiply quantity with the rate and you will get the amount. Okay, so this is the amount for the first item. Next item is the supply and filling of RBM or curie material. This is this item, that is GSP. Its thickness is 150 mm compacted thickness. Okay, again number 1, length 1000 meter, width 3.65. okay, and since we need a compacted thickness of 150 mm, so we will lay thickness of 200 mm or 0.2 meter, and then we will compact it to the 150 mm thickness. Multiply 1 with 1000 with 3.65 with 0.2 and you will get the quantity, which is 730 cubic meters. Okay, so total quantity in cubic meters is 730. Unit for this item, this is cubic meter, quantity this is 730, rate, that is this item, this is not present in SOR, you have to take the lowest market rate, that is the LMR. So lowest market rate for this item, this is 1000 rupees per cubic meter. Okay, it varies from state to state. Okay, I'm taking 1000, and the amount, this will be quantity multiplied by the rate per cubic meter, which is equal to 7,30,000. okay, this is the amount for the RBM. The next item, which is the providing and laying of WMM, that is the wet mix macadam. Okay, this acts as a base course for our macadamized road. Okay, so again length, this is number 1, length 1000 and width 3.65. First we will calculate the surface area. So surface area is 1 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 3.65, which is 36500. Okay, so our surface area in square meter, this is 3650. Okay, we need a compacted thickness of 75 mm. So quantity for this will be at the rate of 0.075 cubic meters per square meter. Okay, that is, you just have to multiply 3650, okay, with 0.075 to get the quantity in cubic meters, which is 273.75. Okay, unit cubic meter, quantity 273.75. okay, rate for this in SOR, this is equal to 1885.95 rupees per cubic meter. Okay, so amount, this will be quantity in cubic meter multiplied by the rate per cubic meter, so it will be 5,16,279 Indian rupees. Okay, next item which we apply, that is called the Tack coat. Okay, this is applied so that the dense bituminous macadam, this binds with the wet mix macadam. Okay, and it is of viscosity grade, bitumen grade of VG10, and its quantity is applied 0.75 kg per square meter, or 750 grams per square meter. Okay, on WMM or WBM or WMM surface. Okay, so surface area for this is the surface area of the wet mix macadam, which is 3650. This is measured in the units of square meters. Okay, so quantity for this, that is the surface area of a road, 3650, and rate for this item in SOR, this is 74.35 rupees per square meter. So amount will be 3650 multiplied by 74.35. okay, press enter, which is 2,71,378. okay, this is the amount for the Tack coat, okay, which is applied on the wet mix macadam. Okay, next is the next item. This is the dense graded bituminous macadam. Okay, this acts as the binder course. Okay, so on the WMM, after applying the Tack coat, the next layer which you will apply, which acts as a binder course, this will be dense bituminous macadam. Okay, and its compacted thickness, this will be 50 mm. It's of viscosity grade 30, VG30, and bitumen or tar content in this will be 5% by the weight of total mix, and lime filler, this will be 2%, okay, by the percentage of aggregate, and it will be prepared in drum type hot mix plant of 60 to 90 TPH capacity. Okay, so this is our binder core. Surface area, this will be same as surface area of the wet mix macadam, which is 3650. Okay, and its quantity, since it has a compacted thickness of 50 mm, so quantity, this will be at the rate of 0.05 cubic meters per square meter. Okay, simply you have to multiply the surface area, which is 3650, with the compacted thickness, which is 0.05, and you will get the quantity in cubic meters, which is 182.5. okay, so unit, this is cubic meter, quantity, this is 182.5 cubic meters. Rate for this item in SOR, this is equal to 11,962.30 Indian rupees per cubic meter. So amount for this item, this will be quantity in cubic meters multiplied by the rate per cubic meter. This is equal to 21,83,120 Indian rupees. Okay, this is the amount for the dense graded bituminous macadam, or DBM. After that, the next item, which is the surfacing course, this will be of the bituminous concrete. Its compacted thickness will be 40 mm. Okay, it will be of bitumen grade VG30. Percentage of bitumen is 5.5%, and lime filler, this will be 3%, and waste plastic additive, this is additional. If you want to add it, this is 8% by the percentage of bitumen, and this is again prepared in drum type hot mix macadam plant of 60 to 90 TPH capacity. Okay, surface area, this is again same for the wet mix macadam, okay, which is 3650. and its compacted thickness, this will be 40 mm or 0.04 cubic meters per square meter. Okay, this will be its compacted thickness. Okay, so simply you have to multiply this square surface area with the compacted thickness, which is 0.04. Okay, so 146 cubic meters is the quantity for this bituminous concrete. Okay, again unit, this is cubic meter. Quantity, this is 146 cubic meters. And rate for this item in SOR, this is 13,735.45 Indian rupees per cubic meter. Okay, amount, this will be quantity in cubic meters multiplied by the rate per cubic meter. So this is 20 lakhs 5,376 Indian rupees. Okay, this was for our road surface. Now the seventh item, this is the providing and laying of stone soling or khag bajri in the berms or shoulders. Okay, so again for this, length is 1000, sorry, its number will be 2. Okay, on both sides 2, length 1000, width, this is 0.45 meter, as I have already written this in the cross section, 0.45 meter. Okay, and its thickness, this will be the thickness of the soling, which is 150 mm plus WMM 75 mm plus 50 mm of dense bituminous macadam and 40 mm of bituminous concrete. Okay, so total thickness, this will be equal to 315 mm or 0.315 meter. Okay, so total quantity for this will be 2 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 0.45 multiplied by 0.315. This is 283.5 cubic meters. Okay, unit cubic meters. Quantity 283.5 cubic meters. Rate, this is the LMR. Okay, lowest market rate. Let us take it 900 Indian rupees per cubic meter. And amount for this will be 283.5 multiplied by rate per cubic meter, which is 900. So total amount will be 2,55,150 Indian rupees. Okay, so total amount, this will be the sum of all the amounts. So write equal, then write SUM, then bracket. Okay, and then select all these items, take their sum, close the bracket, press enter. So this is 60,49,499 India rupees. You have to add 3% contingency, so 3% of 0.03 of this 60,49,000, which is 1,81,483 rupees. So total amount will be grand total amount plus 3% contingencies. Okay, this is 62,30,933 India rupees, or approximately you can say 62.31 lakhs. Okay, so this will be the cost to prepare a road surface using dense graded bituminous macadam as the binder course and bituminous concrete as the surface course. Okay, and wet mix macadam, this will be used as the base course, and stone soling, this will be used as granular sub base course. Okay, you can see the typical cross section of this road. Okay, so this is how you can prepare a detailed estimate for the development of road using dense bituminous macadam, okay, and bituminous concrete. I hope this solution video was clear and effective, and you definitely learn something new. Okay, you can also watch my other videos, that is how to prepare a detailed estimate using WBM or bituminous macadam and semi-dense bituminous concrete. Okay, I will be providing a link at the top of this video. Okay, I hope this solution video was clear. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.